नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respect. I welcome all the living and practicing Hindus, de facto Kailashians from all over the world. I welcome all the Kailasas, ministers, ambassadors, diplomats, e-diplomats, e-citizens, consulate generals and supporters. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. Paramashiva's message directly from Kailasa. Negationism is the foundation on which delusion continues to exist. Listen to this truth. Negationism is the foundation on which delusions continue to exist. Understand this word negationism. Negating, which actually happened, factually happened, but trying to live as if it never happened, negating. Like in Europe, there are many people try to negate the Holocaust. Holocaust is factual and actual. It really happened. Jews were killed in hundreds of thousands. But people try to cover that fact, hide that fact, either fully or partially, aspects of it. This is what is negationism. Listen. In your life also, there is so many things happened which you are not able to come to terms with. Sometimes you try to negate fully. Sometimes you try to negate partially. Sometimes you try to negate the parts for which you are directly responsible, and remember only the parts for which others are responsible. This negationism is the foundation of delusion. See, when I see you, I see all your births. Not only I don't negate what you have done in this birth, I don't negate what you have done for all your births. I am factual and actual. Straight. That is why many times the solution I give is the real solution for your life. Even though your mind is not able to grasp what I am trying to tell you, please understand. I am not talking mystically, spiritually. I am talking practically. I am talking the greater science called Hinduism. Whenever you come out of negationism about your own past, you achieve completion. Purna Prajna, complete illumination, complete enlightenment. Purna Prajna happens when you come out of negationism about your own life. When you start realizing about your own life, Purna Prajna happens. Listen. Negationism is absolutely wrong, whether in your personal life or collectively in the social life or in the history of a nation or in the history of a civilization. Negationism is the foundation of delusion. When you start getting into your past, start completing with them, it is not that you are going to forget your past, you are going to separate the wisdom you need to learn from your past and the pain of the past, and you will absorb the wisdom in you and the pain will be burnt away. As on now, due to the heaviness of the pain, you try to negate your past and lose the wisdom also. People who lost the wisdom are not ready to learn from the past. If you don't learn from the past, history will repeat itself, and civilizations, human beings, whether collective human beings or individual human beings who are not ready to learn from the past, has no future. Your roots are in the past. Only through your roots you can strengthen yourself, and your wisdom can become source of energy and inspiration for your future. Understand? Future need to be exuberant, alive, exciting, inspiring, intense. If you want successful, exuberant future, negationism about the past should be avoided. Somebody messaged me, Swamiji, in the name of completion, I told all my past affairs to my husband. Now I am going through so much of pain and suffering, and he is also going through so much. What to do? If you decided to open up, then stay together and go through the ups and downs. That will only strengthen your relationship. End of the day, when the ups and downs settle down, you will feel, see, whatever is said and done, he or she decided to be with me. So it is time we empower each other instead of hurting each other. Understand? Hurting each other is no way going to help. Empowering each other is going to be win-win for both. I am asking you to go into the past, not to worry about the past, but to build a very positive future. Negationism is a crime. If you negate your personal life's past, you are doing Atmahatya, self-destruction. If you negate the past of a civilization, you are literally doing ethnocide, destroying that civilization. I tell you, Hindu civilization is heavily suffering with negationism. The amount of death caused to Hindus because they are Hindus is multiple times more than Jewish Holocaust death. Please understand. It's multiple times more than. I can give you statistics from factual history where the Mughals, Muslim invaders, documented their victory. From their documents, I can collect and give you the details. How the Hindu worship places are destroyed, how our ancestors were killed, and how our women and children have been kidnapped, sold as slaves, sex slaves, and how our civilization was wiped out, literally. They have a number, this many number of Brahmins should be killed. This many number of Gurukuls should be destroyed. And still Hindu civilization is sitting on negationism. Not only negationism is not illegal, and all the people who write the negative narratives are celebrated with awards and rewards and respect. Hindu civilization need to know, you need to wake up from this negationism. Only then your next generation has life. If you don't learn from the past, you don't have future. It's a law of life. The civilization which does not learn from the past has no right for future. Dropping negationism and learning from the past factually and actually is the responsibility of the Hindu civilization. Hindu civilization is trying to avoid, push it under the carpet, all the crimes done against Hindus in the past. Understand? Unless you drop negationism, learn the past actually and factually, you do not have the future. We can't afford to get destroyed. We can't afford to lose life. We have to survive, thrive, flourish, to keep the greater science of life called Hinduism to the world. Understand? The enlightenment science and the greater knowledge about everything in the cosmos is vested with Hindus. Hindus need to survive, thrive, flourish, share this knowledge with the whole world. We can't afford to collapse. Negationism is not right. Negationism is not right. Neither practice negationism in your personal life, nor try to be living in negationism when it comes to Hindu civilization. In both level, we need to come to completion by knowing the past, by drawing wisdom from the past and burning the pain of the past. Forgetfulness, negationism is not the way to burn the pain. Forgetfulness and negationism is the root cause of the past pain repeating itself in the future. Past repeats in the future when you are in negationism. When you are negating. Negationism is the source of past. Repeating itself, its pains in the future. Drop negationism. Drop negationism. Get into the past, whether your personal life or the civilization's history, whether your history or civilization's history. Drop negationism. Go to the fact, study it factually and actually. Completion is all about getting into your own personal history without negationism. Now, let there be Jivartha Sadas and Vakyartha Sadas on negationism in personal level and civilizational level among the Hindus. I want this to be the subject for Vakyartha Sadas and Jivartha Sadas. Negationism in the personal level and in civilizational level among the Hindus. So, இருப்பு மறுப்பு தன்மை, இருப்பை மறுத்தல். தமிழ் அதுக்கு தான் நெகேஷனிசம் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கான தமிழ் வார்த்தை இருப்பை மறுத்தல். தன் தனிப்பட்ட வாழ்க்கையிலும் மொத்த இந்து நாகரீகத்தின் வரலாற்றிலும் இந்த இரண்டிலும் இருப்பை மறுக்கும் தன்மையினால் நாம் கடந்த காலத்தை பற்றி புரிந்து கொள்ளாமல் எதிர்காலத்தையும் இழந்து கொண்டிருக்கின்றோம். கடந்த காலத்தில் இருந்து நாம் கற்க வேண்டிய ஞானத்தை, அறிவை கற்றுக்கொண்டு கடந்த காலத்தின் காயங்களை, வலிகளை ஆற்றிக்கொள்வதும் மட்டுமே எதிர்காலம் முழுமையாயும் வெற்றியாயும் ஆனந்தமாயும் அமைவதற்கான வாய்ப்பு. இந்து நாகரீகம் கடந்த காலத்தில் பட்ட சனாதன இந்து தர்ம நாகரீகம் கடந்த காலத்தில் பட்ட எல்லாவற்றையும் முழுமையாக தெரிந்து கொள்வதனால் மட்டும்தான் தெளிவான எதிர்காலத்தை நம்மால் அமைக்க முடியும். கடந்த காலத்தின் இருப்பு மறுப்பினால் கடந்த காலம் மீண்டும் மீண்டும் எதிர்காலத்தில் நிகழ்வதற்குத்தான் நாம் வழிவகுத்துக் கொண்டிருக்கின்றோம். இருப்பின் மறுப்பு பொறுப்பை துறப்பது. எதிர்காலத்திற்கான நம் பொறுப்பை துறப்பது வாழ்க்கைக்கான வழி அல்ல. எதிர்காலத்திற்கான நம் பொறுப்பை துறப்பது நேர்மையும் அல்ல, முறையும் அல்ல, திறமையும் அல்ல. இருப்பு மறுப்பை விட்டு தன் தனிப்பட்ட வாழ்க்கையிலும் மொத்த சனாதன இந்து தர்ம நாகரீகத்தின் வாழ்க்கையிலும் சனாதன இந்து தர்மத்தின் வரலாற்றின் கடந்த காலத்திலும் இருப்பின் மறுப்பை துறந்து நடந்தவைகளை நேர்மையோடு உணர்ந்து கொள்வதன் மூலமாக நம் எதிர்காலத்தை வளமாக முழுமையாக வடிவமைத்துக் கொள்வோமாக. So with this, I bless you all. There is going to be Maheshwara Puja tomorrow morning. After sunrise, immediately after sunrise, there will be Maheshwara Puja. And then 31st December night, there will be Devi Bhava Darshan. 31st night, December, there will be Devi Bhava Darshan. You can join in kailasa.org/Devi Darshan. We decided this year onwards the Brahmotsavam is going to be 21 days, means 10 days before the birthday and 10 days after the birthday. In the Vaishnavite style, Pagalpattu, Rapattu. 10 days this side and 10 days that side. So we decided to postpone the superconscious Paramashivoham to 11th March to 31st March. And by that time we will also be ready with the nation building. Understand that all over the world I am seeing sincerely the large Sangha is involved in nation building. Hundreds of e-embassies and SJPs are evolving. I am having meetings every day with different sanghas, Kailasas all over the world. Recently we had a very beautiful meeting with Kailasa Los Angeles and Kailasa Seattle. Everywhere e-embassies, e-SJPs are evolving. Let us focus on nation building till Shivaratri. 11th March to 31st March, we will have Superconscious Paramashivoham. Today is the graduation of Paramashivoham season 18. My blessings to all of you. The Paramashivoham season 18 graduates, blessings. See, the Superconscious Paramashivoham program, the speciality is, till now I was teaching the science of state of Paramashiva, unclutching science, space of Paramashiva, completion science, powers of Paramashiva, oneness and power manifestation science, being of Paramashiva. Now, the next level, superconsciousness of Paramashiva, giving a superconscious breakthrough. I am working on it intensely for all of you to have physical darshan itself for Superconscious Paramashivoham from March 11th to 2021 to 31st March. That's the reason I decided we will have Superconscious Paramashivoham from Shivaratri, so that all of you can have a physical darshan and physically attend, not just virtually alone. If you want to attend, you can attend virtually. We are going to open that also. People say no job one side, other side nobody comes for a job. This whole paradox, the whole system is getting disintegrated all over the world. I am seeing people are losing confidence on the life and system. Even getting food has become such a big job in many of our ashrams. It's not that we don't have money. We have money. But procuring all the groceries, getting everything, and it has become such huge, difficult. I was planning for Jayanti itself, we will have one large team settling down in Kailasa. So we can start the Paramashivoham. Now too many things are happening, too many things need to be organized. Literally building a nation, importing, lot of things need to be imported for Kailasa. Literally new nation getting created. Too many things need to be imported, organized, arranged. So all that importing work is going on from all over the world. I wanted to assure you all one thing. I am getting the best things from all over the world for all of you to enjoy Kailasa. Whether it's a food, best Hindu herbal medicinal based food. Just by food, all your diseases will be healed. You will become healthy, beautiful, alive. Whether it is food or library, in every level, I am getting the best, world's best. The library is going to be the world's best library. Not just world's best Hindu library, world's best Hindu and best in every arrangement, the way it is arranged, organized, the whole library science, this is going to be the best library among the libraries in the world. So in every level, I am taking the whole thing to the next. So naturally, it is taking a lot of time, effort, classrooms. Same way I wanted fully digitally equipped classrooms where the knowledge transmission becomes very easy and experience transmission, making you manifest powers. Everything becomes most authentic, integrated, powerful way. So naturally, everything needs to be organized. And Kailasa in Canada team is working hard. Sushi's team is working so hard to make everything happen. Let's all make it happen. Let's all make it happen. It's literally a large happening for the world. We are going to do the best for Hindu civilization. As I told you, we are a civilizational nation, not just territory based. We have a territory, but we are not. We are more focused on civilization, Hindu civilization, reviving the Hindu civilization. Territory is only one aspect of Kailasa, but our whole focus is on Hindu civilization. That is why I am focusing on digital nation. Digital nation is the civilizational nation. Territory is territorial nation. Territory will be one aspect of Kailasa, but the digital nation is the main focus. So, too much is happening. In the spiritual level, the superconscious breakthrough happening, and infrastructure level, getting all the best things for all of you to come and enjoy the Kailasa. Everything is happening, and so we will be having 11th March, the superconscious Paramashivoham. It will be virtual program also, and we are working on making it physical program also, both. So, this is the intro about this program. It is going to be giving superconscious breakthrough to all of you and to the whole humanity. With this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, the state, space, powers, being, superconsciousness, and Kailas of Paramashiva. Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.
श्रीकैलासोन्नतद्वादशान्तश्यामलापीठारूढ श्रीमीनाक्षिसुन्दरेश्वरा भिन्नस्वरूप परशिवपुत्ररत्न कुमार गुरुमण्यतुल्यावतार श्रीपार्वतीस्तन्यपानलब्धदिव्यज्ञान विश्रुतसकलनिगमागमसारभूत द्राविडवेदप्रवक्त्रे श्रीमत्परमशिवकरुणासमधिगतमुक्तामयचतुरश्रयान गीयमान छत्रचामर श्रीचिह्नकाहलादिसमस्तबिरदावल्यलङ्कृत ज्ञानविज्ञानचक्रवर्ती सर्वजनसङ्घसद्यो निर्वाणदीक्षाव्ययापवर्गवर्ष विश्राण जीमूत परमतकलभकेसरी शैवसिद्धान्तस्थापनाचार्य श्रीराजाधिराज पाण्ड्यमहाराज गुरु क्षपणशाक्यादिमहान्धकारनिवारणज्ञानभानु वीक्षणानर्हार्हध्वजोच्छेदनपूर्वक श्रीमद्वृषभध्वजस्थापक शैवसमयकर्त्रे सर्वज्ञपीठारूढ श्रीजगद्गुरु श्रीज्ञानसम्बन्धदेशिकस्वामि वागीशसुन्दरमाणिक्यवाचकस्वामिनाम् अवतारभूत श्रीज्ञानसम्बन्धस्वामि पुनरुद्धृत श्यामलापीठ सर्वज्ञपीठ त्रिनवत्युत्तरद्विशततम गुरुमहासन्निधान अरुणगिरियोगीश्वर परम्परागत अरुणाचल सर्वज्ञपीठ गुरुमहासन्निधान कैलास परम्परागत काञ्ची कैलास सर्वज्ञपीठ त्रयस्त्रिंशदुत्तरद्विशततम गुरुमहासन्निधान नित्योत्सव नित्यमङ्गल नित्यकल्याण नित्यरजित कैलास परम्परागत आदिकैलास नित्यानन्दपीठ महासंस्थान महासिंहासनपीठकर्तः साक्षात् श्रीपरमशिव समुद्भूत कैलास परम्परागत वैवस्वतमनु इक्ष्वाकु हरिश्चन्द्र भगीरथ श्रीरामचन्द्र शूरसेन इत्यादि अनवच्छिन्न सार्वभौम चक्रवर्ति परम्परागत चतुष्षष्टि योगिनी मण्डित चतुष्षष्टि सम्प्रदाय प्रवर्तक मनुधर्मशासन सूर्यवंश प्राप्त सर्वज्ञपीठ सुराङ्गी साम्राज्य मूर्धाभिषिक्त चूडामणे साक्षात् श्रीपरमशिव समुद्भूत कपिल महागुरु पुनरुद्धृत महानिर्वाणिपीठ अष्टोत्तरसहस्र श्रीमहामण्डलेश्वर साक्षात् श्रीपरमशिव सिंहासनाभिषिक्त समस्तगणनायक श्रीमहागणपति समारम्भ अनवच्छिन्न पीठाधीश्वर गुरुपरम्परा प्राप्त अटलपीठ अष्टोत्तरसहस्र श्री अटलपीठाधीश्वर धर्ममुक्तिस्वर्गपुरस्वर्णपीठ त्रयोविंश गुरुमहासन्निधान कैलास परम्परागत आदिपीठ सर्वज्ञपीठ जगद्गुरो श्रीकैलास पुनरुद्धारक श्रीकैलास परमाचार्य श्रीमत्परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्यवर्य सच्चिदानन्द प्रणवस्वरूप श्रोत्रिय ब्रह्मनिष्ठ श्रीमज्जगद्गुरु श्रीलश्री भगवच्छ्री नित्यानन्द परमशिव श्री ज्ञानसम्बन्ध देशिक परमाचार्य स्वामिन् अत्रागत्य परिपाल्य च अस्मान् विज्ञानवितरणेन विजयी भव जय जय।